Hi, this is a quick tutorial on how to set up Asus battery health charging on Linux machines. I am currently using Ubuntu, so I'll refer to Linux as Ubuntu in this tutorial. So battery health charging is an app that's available on Asus laptops. It can be through this My Asus app, or there's a separate app called Asus battery health charging. Although newer models have this app inside this My Asus app, I would recommend to install this app as well because it will help in some more other ways. So yeah, just this has three settings: full capacity mode, balance mode, and maximum lifespan mode. But these all settings are not available on Linux by default. So there is also no official help from Asus on how to set this up in Linux. So what I did was I searched on the internet and found some helpful tips. So there are mainly two ways what I found. The first way is if you have already dual boot in Windows. So what you need to do is first go on to Windows, there just set the mode in this Asus battery health charging app. If you set this in My Asus app, I'm not sure if it will work, but if you set it in battery health charging app and then reboot to Linux machine, not power off and then start it, you have to reboot it, and then it will work also on Linux. The second way is to modify a file. I'm just showing this. Just open up a terminal and type, just go into etc cron tab, give in a password, and then it will bring up this file in nano. Just add this line at the end, I already have that added. You can paste that line at the end and then save it, and then it should work. This line here, this 60, this is for maximum lifespan mode. It can also be set to balance mode as 80 or full capacity mode. It can also have other values, but I don't recommend it as it may affect the computer in some bad way that you don't want.